Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a systematic investment plan on Fidelity. Let's get straight into the video. First thing is the online setup. Now how you want to do this is to access your Fidelity account online and then log into your account, and then once you're logged in, choose the invest option and then select systematic investment plan. And now you want to select the investment account that you want to use for the systematic investment plan, and then choose the investment option such as mutual funds, ETFs, or it could be individual stocks. Just choose which one it is, and then you just got to enter the amount that you want to invest as well as the frequency of investment. That could be monthly, quarterly, or whatever. Once you're done with that, just review the systematic investment plan details and confirm the setup. Now for mobile app setup, all you got to do is open the Fidelity mobile app on your device and then choose the invest option once you're logged in, and then select systematic investment plan, and then just complete the same steps as the online setup process to set that up. Now for phone setup, what you got to do is to call Fidelity's customer service, and the number is right there on the screen, and that's going to connect you to a representative, and just inform them that you want to set up a systematic investment plan. Of course, you're going to need to share the plan details, including investment accounts, investment options, investment amount, and frequency. And once they have all of that, they're going to help you to set up this systematic investment plan. So yeah, that's pretty much it on for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.